Okay, so I had a wee bit of an idea there about 5-10 minutes ago. It's literally like coming up at 5:10. I would show you the clock, but the clock is running out of battery, so it's like nearly 2 hours slow. But yeah, if you can see that, it's 5:10. But yeah, so you've seen the title. I'm going to try and name everything in my toolbox, and I've not went near my toolbox in like probably about a year. But it is open because there's a star head in it that I need to use every so often, but that's the only thing I grab out of it. But let me just show you this. So my Tyson plant, it's 110 litre tree pot that I've got them in, and let me just show you what way the door opens. So I'm not sure if I could get my toolbox out of it without moving this big fucking tree pot, but we'll see. Oh, I said the curse word. I'm trying not to curse. So this is me trying to get out. Like, so yeah, there's my toolbox there, that big orange thing. So let me see if I can pull this forward. It's fucking heavy. There I go, cursing again. Right, I think I'll be able to like get it out of there, like, so hopefully I don't drop it. Pardon me. So that, let me try. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shit, it's fucking heavy. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Holy shit. That's heavy. Fuck me. So I've been having problems at the minute with my breathing because of my scoliosis, so yeah, I'm trying not to even think about it. But toolbox, let's see. How can I do this? Okay. So toolbox is there. Mr. Green, always eating. Maybe have to put you down more. Put you down. Put you down. Hello. Okay. Right. So, let me see. How can we do this? Right. So this is my manly toolbox. Let me see. Alright. So, let me see. Okay. Just want a closer look at this top section. So there's more than just holes in here. It's like just a wee thing. Well, it's my big toolbox, but I've been chucking like stuff in it like over the past 8 years, just so that I know that it's in this box. Like it never gets used unless I'm building something. But yeah, let's try and name some of this shit. Okay, well this is easy. This is it. Yellow. You know I am not good with my words. So yellow handle hammer, claw hammer. I think anything that I get wrong, comment it below. Teach me, like I'm really interested. Alright, my yellow hammer, my yellow handed hammer, claw hammer. I think that's what it is, isn't it? Because it's got the claw and the hammer. So it's a claw hammer. I think so. Right. Item 1. Okay, so these okay, so these nails are, is it U-bend nails or the double and the U-shaped nails? I use these to like put privacy thing along my back fins. So I use that. Is it a U-shaped nails? I think so. Comment below on everything I'm getting wrong. So that's number 2. A kitchen knife that shouldn't actually be in here, but it's in here. My stick kitchen knife. So yeah. My scoliosis is so bad. My star-headed screwdriver. My flathead screwdriver. Aren't they all screwdrivers? Like flatheads, starheads, screwdrivers. Yes, I think so. And then we have my normal nails. I think they're like, what, 2 centimeters? 2 centimeter nails, ordinary nails. I've got dog clippers, which never get used because like I'm totally scared to cut the dog's nails by myself because he jumps and freaks out and bites. He bites at everything. My handy dandy a tape measure, the manly one, and then I have me girly one. So wee one, big one, girly, manly. And this is for my boxing bag. So it is the chain, you know, for the boxing bag. And this is the bracket, the wall bracket for the boxing bag. But it's a small boxing bag. It's only like a 3-foot boxing bag. I need like a 5-foot boxing bag. Smell toes. Toe smell. This is of something. It's not, it shouldn't be in a toolbox, but I don't know what it's for. It's not for the boxing bag or anything, it's like something else, I don't know. And we have my multi-tool of Allen keys. Okay. And I have spare ones of my shelves, you know, like the hardware shelves that holds like a lot of weight. Why are they spare? Wonder did it maybe get spare in it, I don't know, maybe I didn't build them right, but they're still standing. Mr. Green and smelling it all. My 2.5 inch, is it? Paintbrush. That's fucked. So screwdriver, bolt tightener. Does it say on it? No. So a bolt turner. I don't know. A bolt turner. Yeah, I got that. Obviously, it's not called a bolt turner. There is a name for it. So I forget, but yeah, like, I forget. And then I have all different heads to a screwdriver that I have somewhere in the back hall, I'm not sure, but that's all the different heads to it. Stop licking my leg. I don't know. See what I mean? I like put things in my toolbox just to move them out of the way. I don't know what these are. I've another star head. A pen, like every toolbox should have a pen, and a rubber a rubber eraser, you know, for a pencil. There were a pencil in here. There were a pencil in here, but where? But yeah, every toolbox should have a rubber eraser with a pencil. Green. Some sort of metal thing. I don't know. I do not know. Green. Standing knife. Green. Don't, you could get hurt. Another flathead. Screwdriver. Is it a screwdriver or just a hand screwdriver? I don't know. And I have another star head. Obviously all different sizes. One of them things that come with packages for your, like, build up your own furniture type of things. Whatever you buy, you get like these wee things to help you tighten it. Ha! My fake lipstick. It's fake because it's an old weed pipe. It's an old weed pipe. So that's in there. I don't know why that's in there. A 3mm double-sided sticker thing. I don't know. And another star head. Okay. Didn't know I had that many star heads. What are these called again? Fuck me. Sorry. Trying not to curse. What are these called again? Like, someone comment below and help me out, because like, I keep forgetting what these are called. But they're handy. And there's another one, smaller one. Allen keys. Allen keys. More Allen keys. More Allen keys. Like, I've got an Allen key fucking multi Allen key tool, but ordering a lot of like stuff that you have to build yourself, you get sent flipping Allen keys galore, and these things to like grain. Don't, it's not eatable. Everything isn't eatable. So yeah, that's part of my hose for out the back, but my hose is wrecked because I didn't bring it in over winter, so I fucked that up. You can play with that. So this is a part of a like gate hook to open, to hold your, you know, your front gates open, you know, your front yards, your gate hooks. That's part of a gate hook. Don't know where the other hook is. It's maybe in below all this. And I think this is part of my tap that I have out the back. I think so. And another wee fucking like tool you get off them fucking flat pack furniture sets. We got 9-inch screws. We got 6-inch nails. More Allen keys. More nails. Oh, and we have a pair of nail clippers. Pair of nail clippers. Don't ask me why they're in there. I do not know. Do not know. We have more heads to the screwdriver. More heads. And longer heads for the screwdriver. I've got 2 nappy pins. 2 nappy pins. I'll just set it in there because everything's small. Green will try to eat. We have, what you call it? You drill a hole into the wall. A wall plug for your screw that goes in. Look how dirty my hands are already, and it smells all like tully. I love that tully smell. We've got like plenty of pins. Do you know, as if like you pin on a, what you call it? I'm not good with my words. Like a cork board, like a memory board thing. I have a spare fuse, and it's a 5A fuse. More Allen keys. 9-inch nails, not the band. And we've got the circle double-ended sticky thing. I don't know. And we have spare standing knife blades. A wash pack of skins. Skins. I don't know why them. A wash pack of skins. I don't know why they're in there. Like, that fucking looks like a 10-inch nail or something. 11-inch nail. A long head screw driver head thingy. And that's basically it. Keeping them wee bits in there because Mr. Green will try to eat it. Okay, so that's the top section. Look at this. Okay. So, oh God. So, a wallpaper smoother, only because it says it on it. Only because it says it on it. A wallpaper smoother, smoothener thingy to help get away the bubbles. The, what do you call it? A rubber mullet. A rubber mullet. Because it says on it. I had to use this to put up my, like, industrial, what do you call them, shelves. which these are a part of. I had to like bang them in place like that. Got a charger lead. I don't know why. Oh my god. Like, do you know this week I got done out of 100 quid, 108 quid to be exact, all over needing this part. Oh my good god. I am raging. I spent 108 quid this week on just trying to get this part. This is like for my front doorbell camera, the angle part, because there were a what you call it, there were a blind spot on the camera, but it's fixed now, so there's no bright, because I wonder, can I get my 108 quid back now? I'm going to put that up there because now that is bugging me. I'm going to try to get my 180 quid back. Okay. We have a wall drill. Haha. That's my favourite thing. But I'm terrified of using it in case it takes a big like turn and breaks my arm. Because of my brittle bones, you know. So my dad uses it. If I need something done, he would use that. He gave me it actually. I have a curtain wire, which I don't know why a curtain wire is in here, because I've got curtain poles. Like, so yeah, curtain wire, DW40, easy. I know what you smell. He smells his wee barrier. He's got a habit of ripping off his wee toys, his like, what you call it, like wee bears and like doggies and all that are buying wee stuffed toys. He rips the ears off them, and then I feel bad. I've got about three ears that he's ripped off, so go on and play with that. This is for kicking your carpet underneath the skirting boards. But I don't know what it is called. Is it called a carpet kicker or carpet? It's for the carpet anyway, to kick underneath the skirting boards. This football pump up the football, but I've got a yoga ball that I pump up with it. And this is a wallpaper paster brush. Wallpaper paster brush. This and this came together. So, yeah. This is off my, what you call it? It's like an old pirate ship steering wheel, but it's a mirror. I took it off the mirror, repainted the mirror to pink. It was blue and white, and it was like done beachy, so that's rope from it. I'm a hoarder, like I keep things that it should be thrown out. There's more of it. This is, oh, my pink kitchen tile stickers. So, you see the way my kitchen tiles are done, like pink and white? The pink was like what do you call it? A orange colour, like this floor. I fucking hate this floor and them tiles. That's why I bought the tile cover and the tile stickers. Green, stop licking my leg. So that's a bunch of them. Stu actually done all them. Stu done all of my tiles in the kitchen. So he did. So that's what was in this bag. I have a spare hinge. Yes, I was right. Spare hinge. These were for my, what do you call it? Not the lawnmower, the other one. Strimmer. This was for my strimmer, but I chopped it out. Oh, and we have another football pump. And another spare hinge. I have Tyson's dog hair brush with his hair still in it. Maybe I miss him so much. And my wee mini star head. I think I threw this in here because this wasn't working. I done a video down at a mausoleum and it wasn't working right, so I think it's done. I think it's done. I don't know. Like, it doesn't seem to be working right. Green, stop licking my leg. Yeah, I think it's done. But I did buy myself cat balls. Bought myself cat balls because Green, watch, all this could kill you. Bought myself cat balls because I wanted to do an investigation in this here house because all of my animals have died in this house. I moved into this house with a full tank of fish. Green! God's sake, you're going to kill yourself and I'm going to get the blame of it. But yes, where was that? Yes, I was thinking of doing an investigation in this house because all of my animals died in this house. I had a full tank of fish and I had a budgie, a snake and my Tyson bear. And like they all just died in this house and they were all so healthy before this house. They died within, like, the snake and my budgie died within a year or two from being in this house. No, about a year. A half a year actually. Half a year. And the first night of moving in here, me and the boyfriend at the time, he like poured bleach into the fish tank because we were fighting, and I came in the kitchen to like feed the fish, and I smelled a hell of a lot of bleach in the fish tank. I ran up to him, and he was like 6 foot 8, not 6 foot 8, 6 foot 3. And I fucking screamed at him saying, "You're a fucking murderer, you're a killer, and you're meant to be a vegan. What vegan kills animals?" He was like, "I didn't do anything." And I'm like, "Well, how did the fucking bleach get into the fish tank?" So yeah, that's how my fish died. But my bird and my snake, had my snake since 2008. And I moved into his house in 2015. So it's very strange just. So I bought this to go around the bathtub with. You know, like ceiling bathtub. It bends into like the shape for the tiles and then the bathtubs. But it's fucking shite. It's the worst thing I ever got in my life. That can go. And there's another one. That can go. That's worth fuck all. I wouldn't buy it ever. Don't just buy it ever. These are obviously heavy duty wall and things to be drilled into the wall. Don't know what they're for. Grain, watch what you're watch. A small paintbrush. Might leave it out actually because like I'm trying to like paint, and if you can see up there, I got an acrylic paint set. Grain, stop sniffing everything. I know it smells good. I love the smell of tool stuff. But yeah, stop licking my leg. See that dog we licking? I swear. Right, so that's, and a makeup brush, but somehow it's got paint on it, so I must have used it for paint. Don't know why. There's that fucking bathroom rubber seal thing. Worth shit. Worth fuck all. Now, Now, I do not know, but why? What are these? What are these? Are these for like a washing machine? Or something? Tell me in the comments below. But yeah, them. Don't have a clue, can I admit that? More of them, like fucking heavy duty wall things. Maybe they're the things for my boxing bag and wall mount. I think so. Green, stop trying to eat everything. A bit of tin foil. Why? Why is there a bit of tin foil and like, what the hell would you use tin foil for in manly work? I don't know. Bit of tin foil. Oh, and another one of these. What are these? Like, what are these? This is the second one that's come out of this box. Green, enough, get away. He's going to attack me because, see, if I say get away, leave me alone and all that crap, he attacks me. So, these are like for the back of like picture frames or something, but what's the wire for? Grain, don't. You can die, I should put you out. But what's the wire for with it? I don't know. I'm going to have to set this stuff in here because like I'm scared in case Green catches anything and it swallows it, because he's already got them washed up papers and ripped them. There's more of that rope. There's parts to the shelves, the industrial shelves, the metal industrial shelves, them blue things that should be on the shelves, that they're for the floor to stop them from sliding, so maybe I should have put them on. But if you look, we're near at the end. We're near at the end. So yeah. These are obviously screws and wall hole things to hold the screw in so it doesn't come out of the wall easy. Don't know what the name is for them. We have more screws and something that's meant to be on something. I do not know. And then we've got like this, a bolt turner, tightener thingy. Well, obviously something hasn't been built right. We have different industrial screws for the walls. I don't know. This could come in handy if it was out of the toolbox. I like to call it a measurement for the waist, for my wee titties, for the length of the leg. Measurement thingy. Oh, dear me. And another big wall screw. And we have B7000 super glue. I think it's super glue. And another big thingy. These must be off my, what you call it, wall mount for my boxing bag. And then we have like black screws and the wall, the hole and screw thing to keep the screw in and not fuck up the hole in the wall. I don't know what they're called, but I know what they're used for, to not to fuck up the hole on the wall. And another one of these thingies for bolts. Did you fart? Did you fart? You are humdinking. Humdinking. We have an Allen key, but it's some sort of weird contraption. Wonder what this is of. Like, I don't know. Can you see that? Green, just look, he's nearly biting me because I'm telling him no. Does anybody want a dog that bites? But yeah, that thingy, don't know what it's for. What is this for? So this screws down to whatever that is meant to hold. I don't know. And then another paintbrush and another bit of glue. I actually need to leave this out because I need to use a bit of glue on my flip-flops. And it's what you call it, off. I know what they're used for, but I don't know the name of them circle things. It's to keep the hole healthy in the wall, and I don't know. It's to keep everything healthy, basically, not to rub off everything. Am I right or am I wrong? Let me know. But yeah, that is it. That is all that's in my toolbox. Like, I had to keep them wee bits in, that's everything that I named. But yeah, that's everything in my toolbox. Like, wow. I think I done pretty well. But yeah, end of the video, and I'm actually gonna that sounded like a fart, but it wasn't me. I don't know. It was just the noise of the tools. But yeah, I'm going to do another video of like just something else that I want to get off my chest a bit. That's freaking me the fuck out. Sorry about the F-bombs, but yeah. That's everything in my toolbox. Did I do well or did I do crap? I think I done pretty well. Is it a good toolbox for you men out there? Am I holding a pretty good toolbox? I think I am, because everything that I need to do to the house is usually in here. Fly. But yeah, Tyson is here, my baby Tyson. But yeah, the joys now of putting this all back in. Wow. So anyway, thank you for watching, and if you get to the end, thank you so much. And I love yous, and keep tuned, because I'm going to be talking about something which is going to make me really uncomfortable, because it's something stalkery type of shit. So yeah, comment below, did I do well in naming everything? Did I what did I fuck up on? Comment everything that I fucked up on, and yeah, love yous. Like, subscribe, share, do whatever the fuck you want to do. Okay, love yous. Peace out. Don't know what that was. Don't know. Bye. Bye. No lips. I've got plenty of lips, you just can't. I just don't use my lips well, but I've got plenty of lips.